wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. Come and shut up selector boy.
Yo, what's good YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco back in the music club with another banger, up people. You already know what time it is. Yo, that mafia, you see what I do today, man. We back in Trini with this shit, dog. You see me, we're back in Trinidad with the music. You know, we haven't recently reacted to our Trini artists in a minute. But don't forget, it's always love. You feel me? It's always love. I love my Trini artists. Sometimes I might go in my Jamaican segment where I'm reacting to straight Jamaican artists. I might go in my Trini segment where I'm straight Trini artists. I'm going in my segment where I'm doing both at the same time. But don't forget, it's all love, and I'm always gonna get to the songs that I miss. You see me? And I always come back and update. You know what I'm saying? So don't ever feel like me I left my Trini artists them all permanently. Nah, me I left my Jamaican artists. Nah, bro, I'm always gonna circle back when the time is right and the energy is right. You see me? I say. And today, guys, we're back in our music club, and today we have an artist no stranger channel. We talk about none other than Castella. You see me? The last song we reacted from Castella was Castella and Jaja, and I believe that was Risk Takers. You know what I'm saying? And those were a fire trap, man. Anytime Castella and Jaja link up, it's always a fire trap. But this one is just Castella by himself, and I believe this one was requested by Big Dre, the artist. So big up yourself, Big Dre. Appreciate you, my G. Yeah, man. Big J, the artist, requested one, and Castella gun in the hand. And we're gonna check it out and see what Castella deal with. We know, so when Castella link up with Jaja, they always make some good tunes. You see me? So I wanted to hear more of them individually, you see me, and solo and by themselves. And this one was one of the songs requested by Big Dre, the artist. You see me? I say. So before we even jump in that track, guys, we also want to take this time, yo, returning viewers and subscribers, you know the code. You see me, I know the code we can live by in Dan Mafia. You see me, I say, so let's follow the code. If you are a new viewer and a new subscriber, go ahead, take the time to like and subscribe button and follow the code as well. If you're new to the channel, follow the code as well. You see me, the code we live by over here. The code that we live by over here, Dan Mafia, is if you're watching a video, you liking a video. You see me, if you haven't subscribed, you subscribe it. You see me, so that's the code we live by over here. You see me, I say, yeah, watch a video, you like a video. Straight up from y'all watch, y'all like. You see me, that's the code we live by. You don't know, code is life. So do the right thing, bro. Follow the code, bro. You know, you see me, just do the right thing, man, and show your boy some support. You see me, we're not gonna hold up the vibes much longer, guys. We'll jump right now. Track. Yeah, man. This is the trading artist Castella. Gun in the hand. Let's get it.
Paco don't know the code.
Okay, come in, man. He said rifle and beat up. Paco don't know the code. Come in.
So we go, yo, one another, yeah. And the clip for the load. Like a boy, watch your tone if you know what me know. I better you lay low. We no fear scarecrow, man, we turn in a goose. Wet up your raincoat.
Go boy, if you know me, know you stay low, man. No afraid of scarecrow, youth. I want to if you know me, know dog. You love certain things alone, my youth.
He could pick out your nose, bumped with a boss. He still stash up in a hole. Make them like flambeau, gunshot in your door. And I sell up in a pole. Been I watch him head back like a Netflix through the telescope. Toppy feel is a joke.
I'm like the Florida dog, you see me? Man say watch your head back like a Netflix show. You must think a joke. When you write school, like when I do you looking in a feet sentence.
Time upon the blood clot you like a goat. And push knife in a throat. And tell the devil take note. Me have gun in my hand. Show me where.
Yeah, man, that brother man say you don't push knife in a throat and tell the devil make take notes. You see me? That man say man show the devil off evil. You devil no evil like. Damn, bro, come in, cause. But touch 5 o'clock, bro. Be a killer there foot, brother. I'm telling you, your yard ready for name your food, bro. Come on, stop playing with your boy.
The Mac 90 a glow. Some boy better know pussy try make a step. Make me shut off in big toe. The Glock 9mm that I carry 24. No doctor can cure. Rifle shot kick the pussy off of the 10th floor. Slam it in the face like a door pistol. Bridge clock like a.
Doctor can't cure this now. And gunshot lick in a man, you knock you off at 10th floor, black.
Blood clot or material to 200 kilometers. The pistol measure about 9mm.
Man, fire, why? It asks a 1900 meter, how much? Much run out, boy. 1 liter blood, clean blood, brother. January.
1,000 liter make 1 kilometer. 1,000 bullet burn up them speedometer. Murder fly like VR, gun in my hand. Show me which bomb boy I go try when I'm one bad man. Yo, bing bang, none of them boy, they no bad.
Which one I want, dog? Eh? Which one I want? Me, I'm a gun in my hand. Which one I want brave enough to run up on bad man? You run up and get everything in this, man. Be yourself, man.
As it touch 5 o'clock, I be a gunman in the yard. Shut up, blood like stem.
Easy now, man. As it touch 5 o'clock, so bro. Not 5:01, not 5:03, not 5:05. As it touch 5 o'clock, so be a killer in your yard, brother. Ready for my food, bro. No way I do. No way I do. You see me what I say? But yeah, man. That was a dope track, bro. I like, you know what I'm saying? That was a dope track by Castella. Guys, let me know what y'all think about that one. Beats, lyrics, melody. You already know what time it is. But yeah, man. Castella, dog. Really dope artist, bro. The man always smooth on the track, dog. You see me? Like, you must smooth like sing. You see me? Dog always singing on the track. Dog is a sing J. You know, bad man sing J. Dog always singing on the track talking about some pretty, you know, I would say grimy stuff. You know, some gangster shit. But you dog singing it. And dog is very talented. You see me? That can sing very well. His lyrics is dope. You see me? And he's my bad artist, man. So big up Castella. You see me? Big up Castella anyway in the dog. You see me? Real dope artist, man. If you like it, show the artist some love and support. Make you know what Jambisco done say, you see me? And let me know what's your favorite part in the comment section. Was it the beat, the lyrics, the melody? What was the favorite part, man? Drop in the comment section so we can chop it up, get the dialogue going, man. Also, let me know what you want to react to next, and I'll definitely get it done as well, guys. Don't know, we're going strong over here. Let's see me road to 10K, road to 100K, and we ain't stopping. New equipment coming to improve the channel, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, see me, everything gonna get improved, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, all of the production and the quality of video gonna improve, so stay tuned for that. The channel growing, man. Let's see me, we're taking it to the top, man. I just appreciate y'all love and support. So that mafia clapping yourself. For always rocking with your boy, always showing some love support. You know what I'm saying? For always liking the video. And like I said, if you're new to the channel, you see me, I say, just follow the code. Follow the code like everybody else. The code we live by over here is that if you're watching a video, you like a video. If you're new to the channel, you subscribe. That's the code we live by over here. You know what I'm saying? You don't know code is life. So just do the right thing and help your boy out, man. Help your boy out grow. And you know what I'm saying, reach his goals. You know what I'm saying? Just like I'm helping you guys grow and reach our goals and stay on your purpose. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I appreciate you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Drop the comments what you want me to get, what you want me to do next, and I'll get it done. I don't know, guys. We'll it over here. Some more bangers are coming for the day. More bangers coming overall. You see me? You don't know. It's a boy Jambisco. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.